Good morning student. As in continuation with chapter number 3, today we will discuss about the peripheral nervous system. So children, the peripheral nervous system is divided into two parts: somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. And autonomic nervous system is divided into two subparts. They are sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Now children, the major function of the peripheral nervous system is it contains all the nerves which feeds into the brain and the spinal cord. Now children, talking about the autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system is a system which controls the activities which are not direct controlled by an individual. So those activities are breathing, blood circulation, salivation, stomach contraction and emotional reactions. On the other hand, somatic nervous system comprises of cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Children, the cranial nerves are the nerves which arises from the brain itself. It comprises of three parts: motor nerve, sensory nerve and mixed nerves. Now children, the major function of the motor nerve is it carries impulses which originates from the brain to the muscles. On the other hand, the major function of the sensory nerve is to carry information from the receptor of the head region. And third is the mixed nerve. Mixed nerves are those nerves which have both sensory and motor fibers. Now children, the major function of the spinal nerves are these. The sensory nerves of the spinal nerves collect information from the all over the body except the head region and send them to the spinal cord, from where they are carried out to the brain. So children, the total number of nerves are 31. Children, as I have told you before, that the autonomic nervous system is divided into two parts: parasympathetic nervous system and sympathetic nervous system. Now children, the function of the sympathetic nervous system is it deals with the emergencies when the action must be quick and powerful, whereas parasympathetic nervous system functions in conservation of energy. It monitors the routine function of the internal system of the body. So children, although the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system are opposite to one another, but both work together in order to maintain the balance. So children, it is believed that when the emergency is over, the parasympathetic nervous system takes over. It decreases the sympathetic activation and calms down the individual to a normal condition. Now children, if you look at this diagram, this is the actual diagram of the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. Both are different in their function. It has a relaxed bronchi, whereas parasympathetic nervous system has a constrict bronchi. Sympathetic nervous system stimulate glucose production, whereas parasympathetic system stimulates the persistence and secretes. So children, both are different in their function. So kindly make a note of this in your notebook.